Getting a good night's sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being. Here are some of the best practices for achieving a restful night's sleep. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps to regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling rested. 2. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. 2. Invest in comfortable bedding and a supportive mattress. 3. Avoid stimulating activities before bed. Put away your phone, tablet, or laptop at least an hour before bedtime. 3. Instead, engage in calming activities like reading or taking a warm bath. 4. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid consuming caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals close to bedtime. 4. Instead, opt for light snacks and herbal tea. 5. Manage stress and anxiety. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind and prepare for sleep. By following these best practices, you can improve your chances of getting a restful night's sleep and waking up feeling refreshed and energized. Sleep environment. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is essential for getting a good night's sleep. Here are some tips for optimizing your sleep space. 1. Keep it cool. The ideal temperature for sleep is between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–19 degrees Celsius. 1. Use a fan or air conditioner to keep your bedroom cool and comfortable. 2. Reduce noise. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to block out unwanted sounds like traffic or snoring. 3. Block out light. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask to eliminate any unwanted light that can disrupt your sleep. 4. Choose comfortable bedding. Invest in high-quality pillows and a supportive mattress to promote good sleep posture. 5. Eliminate distractions. Remove any clutter, work-related items, or electronics that can distract you from sleep. By optimizing your sleep environment, you can create a calm and comfortable space that promotes deep and restful sleep. Consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for regulating your body's internal clock and promoting healthy sleep. Here are some tips for sticking to a consistent sleep schedule. How can stress affect your sleep? Stress is one of the primary culprits that can interfere with your ability to sleep peacefully at night. When you're stressed, your body produces the hormone cortisol, which can keep you feeling alert and on edge. This can make it challenging to relax and fall asleep when you want to. In addition to keeping you awake, stress can also cause you to wake up during the night, leading to disrupted sleep. If you find yourself lying awake at night worrying about work, relationships, or other aspects of your life, it may be time to take steps to reduce your stress levels. One way to do this is to practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. These can help to calm your mind and body and reduce the effects of stress on your sleep. What foods should you eat to promote better sleep? The foods you eat can also have a significant impact on the quality of your sleep. Some foods are known to promote relaxation and sleep, while others can keep you awake and alert. Foods that are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes the production of the sleep-inducing hormone melatonin, can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Examples of these foods include turkey, chicken, eggs, and cheese. Other foods that can promote better sleep include complex carbohydrates such as whole grain bread, oatmeal, and brown rice, which can increase the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that can help you relax and feel calm. On the other hand, foods that are high in caffeine or sugar, or that are spicy or fatty, can interfere with your ability to sleep. If you're having trouble sleeping, it's a good idea to avoid these foods in the hours leading up to bedtime. Can exercise help you sleep better? Exercise is another important factor that can impact the quality of your sleep. Regular exercise can help to reduce stress, boost your mood, and improve your overall health and well-being, all of which can contribute to better sleep. However, it's important to time your exercise appropriately. Exercising too close to bedtime can actually interfere with your ability to sleep by making you feel more alert and energized. Ideally, you should aim to finish your workout at least a few hours before bedtime. If you're struggling to sleep, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can be a useful strategy for promoting better sleep. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on all our upcoming tips for achieving restful sleep. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now.